Hi. Are you one of those amazingly honest people that just gets that life is incredibly overwhelming, stressful, bewildering, confusing, and frustrating at times? And are you someone that actually knows they want to be around a group of people that are constantly finding actually how to thrive and how to live with those realities, but in a really incredibly inspirational and hopeful way? There's so much coming at us right now that is just terrifying, really. And it's very easy to get sucked down into it. So we put on the news, we read the newspaper, we listen to our friends and our family, and there's a lot going on. And then we have our own individual challenges and then our family's challenges, etc., etc. So I run a membership where the key thing that happens is that you are supported by a group of people that are equally honest and know that they don't have all the answers. They don't even want to have all the answers. They just want a place where they feel safe, they feel cared for, and they are with other people that are willing to be in actually the soup of humanity together, because we're stronger together. Now, my qualifications for doing this very, very briefly is number one, I have been a patient my entire life. I have a very complex matrix. I am not complicated, and I'm saying this deliberately, but my situation, my circumstances, what I'm up against, and my internal matrix is complex. All the medics have all my life found it complicated. So one of the things that you get out of the membership is that you will stop continuing to identify yourself as your problems and as your challenges. You're going to discover what is right with you, with other people that are putting down the burdens of extra struggles because of our belief systems, for instance. So you get emotional, mental support, which then impacts your physical state. So no matter what you're up against, you will discover that very small shifts make huge differences and huge impacts. Now, the other qualification, apart from actually being a patient my entire life and having surgeries like other people have cups of tea, and my superpower is humour, as you'll get to know me. But the other qualification is that I've been a clinical Chinese medical practitioner for over 40 years. So I bring to the community all of the skill sets I've got. And then we have guest speakers. We also have an amazing woman called Janet Leslie who does this with me, and she's a trauma doula. So you literally have me with all my skills. I also am a grief recovery specialist. But you get to know people who, like you, are honest enough to say, I don't know how to do this business of life. Life doesn't come with an instruction manual. And if you're at this amazing point where you go, you know what, I want to be with other support, other people that are inspired, then come and have a taster of what we're about, because it makes a huge difference to people who are really up against lots of just life's challenges. If we're not being challenged, we're not alive. Take care. Bye-bye.